Kita ketemu teman lama kita, dia tuh pernah modeling di Indonesia juga kan ya?
Betul.
My name is Luis.
Juga dia suka banget sama nasi,
Sate.
sate,
Sates.
bakso.
Baso. Hello
Ayo,
guys, apa
jadi-
kabar?
Nah, ke Jakarta, tinggal di Jakarta 5 bulan. Dia suka banget, experience-nya bagus sekali katanya. Dan juga
Bagus.
ketemu banyak banget orang yang sangat baik. Seperti orang Indonesia kan?
Halo semua, apa kabar?
Semoga semua baik-baik aja ya.
Nah hari ini kita sebenarnya nggak niat bikin video ya,
Ya betul. Tapi
tapi kita ketemu teman lama kita, dia tuh pernah modeling di Indonesia juga kan ya?
betul. Tapi dia sebenarnya model internasional. Tapi nanti kita ceritain ya.
Pernah model di Milan, kalau di Rumania sering dapat iklan.
Iya betul.
Sekarang orangnya lagi pegang kameranya.
Iya betul. Kasihan dong.
Oke.
Ya udah.
Kalau
Jadi gantian ya, biar kita bisa ngomong sama dia juga.
tapi sebelum nonton video ini jangan lupa
Subscribe dan juga ya.
Venture.
Oke, jadi sudah selesai pengganti kameranya ya, udah aman?
aman.
Oke, jadi ayo Luis sini dong.
Hello.
Hai,
Hello guys,
yuk.
apa
Jadi,
kabar?
Di sini ada, what's your name?
Luis, my name is Luis.
Luis, jadi nama dia Luis. Dia sudah pernah model ke Jakarta, ke Milan, dan di Rumania udah sering banget seperti Bayu tadi ceritain. Tapi saya mau bilang hai ke Luis dulu ya. Hi Luis, how are you?
Hello, I'm fine.
Oh, yeah. Udah, we didn't meet for so long ya.
Yes, for so
been-
long.
It's been a while.
Yes.
Jadi kita
One
senang
year.
banget ketemu akhirnya habis tahun mungkin kita nggak ketemu. So Luis, you've been to Jakarta before. What you did there? How long?
Yes, for 5 months, I
Oke,
think.
dia udah pernah ke Jakarta 5 bulan.
And it was a good experience. I met so many people, like so good people in Jakarta.
Oh, jadi dia pernah ke Jakarta, tinggal di Jakarta 5 bulan. Dia suka banget, experience-nya bagus sekali katanya. Dan juga
Bagus.
ketemu banyak banget orang yang sangat baik. Seperti orang Indonesia kan, makanya dia di Indonesia. And are you planning to go back to Indonesia
Yes,
anyhow?
for sure. I want to go like this year maybe.
Oh, amazing, amazing.
I want to go
news.
to Bali again.
Ooh.
And I eat also a lot of rice.
Rice?
Rice,
You like
rice.
rice?
Oh,
oke.
yes.
Jadi dia, aku tadi tanya kalau mau balik ke Jakarta, dia bilang dia pasti mau balik ke Jakarta karena dia mau balik ke Bali. Mungkin tahun ini, siapa tahu, doain ya Luis bisa ke Bali tahun ini. Dan juga dia suka banget sama nasi. Masa sih orang Rumania suka nasi? Aku, for me, it was so difficult to like rice. Like maybe 2 years it got me to eat proper rice.
Oh wow.
Ya, tapi Luis juga suka sambal. You like also spicy
Oh
ya?
my god, I like sambal so much.
So, tuh kan, suka banget sambal. Enggak ada banyak orang di Rumania atau orang Eropa yang suka banget sama sambal itu karena kepedesan buat kita. Tapi Luis, kemarin pas kita mau berangkat dari Jakarta, aku tanya, Luis, what was your request for us to bring from Jakarta for you?
Sambal. It was the first thing.
Ya kan,
Yes.
dia minta sambal,
And
terus
also the t-shirts.
Batina Bullet t-shirt. Tapi kan kita nggak tahu kan kita mau ketemu dia. Jadi ketemu nggak bawa kaosnya. Jadi next time ya, I will bring you the t-shirt
Yes,
and the
for
sambal.
sure.
So it's a good reason for us to meet again.
Yes.
Jadi itu
My
salah
birthday.
satu reason. Oh, dia sebentar lagi mau ulang tahun dong. Jadi harus nyanyi happy birthday ya. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Oke, jadi nanti kalau ada yang mau juga follow Luis, bisa ada Instagram. Nanti dia tunggu message DM ya yang mungkin happy birthday dan juga jangan follow Instagram. What's your
Yes, I'm
Instagram?
waiting. My Instagram is Luis Costin.
Luis Kosti, nanti kita akan masukin di sini atau di sini, nggak tahu. Seperti maunya Bapak Editor, makasih ya Bapak. Later the editor will put somewhere your
Yeah.
Instagram link. Oh there, okay. Semaunya Luis di sini ya. Okay, so tell us something about Jakarta. What did you like about not only Jakarta but maybe Indonesia? What did you enjoy in Indonesia?
first thing I like the persons here like was very
People,
very friendly there.
Oke, jadi aku tanya tadi cerita mungkin dikit-dikit apa yang Luis suka bangga di Indonesia. Dia bilang yang pertama orangnya baik banget. Oke, what's next?
And also the food.
Oh, dia
It
suka
was a little
makanannya.
bit spicy, but it was okay for me.
Oke, dikit terlalu pedas tapi oke, buat dia suka banget. What else?
And also the places like Bali was
So
nice.
tropical, ya, so
So
nice.
tropical.
Ya, dia bilang kayak tropical banget gitu, dia mau ke Bali dan kan karena kita di sini di Rumania nggak punya seperti itu ya, we don't have palm trees or coconuts
yes,
everywhere.
coconuts.
I know,
I
I
love
love
coconuts now.
Dia suka banget kelapa. Aku juga, aku fan berat kelapa juga. I like it too so much. I'm such a big
Yes.
fan. Ada orang yang liatin kita, tapi nggak apa-apa. Buat Luis, what was your favorite Indonesian food while in Indonesia?
Oh my god, there's a lot of food. Well, I don't remember all of them, but I remember satay.
Sate.
Satay is a good one.
Oh, tadi maaf ya. Pertanyaan yang penting gitu, apa yang makanan favorit Luis waktu dia di Indonesia? Oke, sate,
Satay and the baso.
baso,
Baso with that soup, no?
with
Yeah,
meatballs.
so nice.
So, dia suka banget sama baso.
Banget.
Banget, suka banget. Oke, congratulations. Aku nggak terlalu favorit sate atau baso, tapi ya siapa tahu kan beda bulenya, beda itu taste-nya juga kan, taste-nya beda. But I wanna ask you also one more question, Luis, because for sure they wanna know what is the difference between modeling in Europe and in Indonesia? Apa yang beda modeling di Eropa dan di Indonesia? Where it's better and well, like what are the pluses and the minuses? Maybe I don't know to say.
As I said, the people there are friendly in Jakarta.
In
They're so
Jakarta.
friendly.
Jadi kayak plus buat Indonesia, orangnya lebih baik, mungkin lebih sabar juga and more patient ya.
Yeah, more patient. So
Lebih
patient
sabar ya.
than here. And also my agency in Jakarta was so nice.
Oh,
So nice.
juga agensi dia bagus banget di Jakarta, kita yang pernah agentnya Luis dan ya dia salah satu model yang kita pernah punya. Dia sangat baik dan juga very good with education, bagus edukasinya gitu. Dan ya bagus lah pokoknya. And what else, like what is like the difference between, maybe let's talk jobs in modeling, like mungkin ya pembayarannya pasti lebih bagus kalau lagi di Eropa buat job modeling gitu, atau enggak tentu juga sih, enggak tentu kalau iklan lebih bagus pembayarannya di Indonesia. I'm talking about like maybe how are the jobs paid, like for sure if we talk commercials it's better paid in Indonesia, but the catalogs maybe I think it's better in Indonesia
The
or
catalog is
Europe I guess.
Europe.
Eropa kalau lagi ngomong e-commerce atau online katalog, Eropa lebih bagus, tapi living cost it's also bigger.
Yeah, it's also bigger here.
It's also bigger, so I think it's like a balance anyway.
Yes.
Jadi kalau ya living cost-nya lebih besar, ya mungkin ya paket money atau semua lebih mahal kan. Jadi tapi hidupnya juga lebih mahal. Kalau mau beli makanan, beli baju semua lebih mahal. Mau tanya Luis juga apa yang dia ingat bahasa Indonesia. Do you remember anything from Indonesian?
Yes, kind of. I know like apa kabar?
Okay, apa kabar? How are you?
How are you?
Okay, and I ask you apa kabar, Luis, and you say? Baik.
Baik, I say.
Baik.
Baik,
Okay.
baik.
What else do you remember?
Naik,
Naik is like you go up on something.
naik and turus.
Terus
Naik.
ya lurus. Terus.
Terus.
Terus mas, terus. Oke.
And
Mungkin dia jadi tukang parkir, siapa tahu. Kalau uang modeling kurang, dia free time jadi tukang parkir. I was just making a joke. I was saying that maybe your modeling money were not enough, so you were like a parking guy.
no need.
No need.
I work pretty much.
Okay, just a joke. Okay, tell me what else do you remember? It cannot be only naik.
Saya lapar.
Saya lapar,
Saya
oke, itu
lapar
penting
rice.
banget. Saya lapar rice, oke. Itu pasti semua orang Indonesia kalau dengar ketawa kan. Lapar, oke, apa lagi?
I think that's all.
That's all?
Yes. I need to go back, to learn more.
Oh, tuh, itu bagus. Dia bilang, that's very good. dia bilang dia harus balik ke Indonesia biar ingat bahasa Indonesia dan belajar lagi. Okay? Luis, a very important question for you. What do you think about Indonesian girls? Apa yang
Oh
dia
my
ingat
God.
kalau lagi mungkin ingat cewek-cewek Indonesia bagaimana?
Okay, so Indonesian girls are pretty.
Oke, cewek-cewek Indonesia cantik.
And it was friendly, you know, because I speak with them, they help me. So, yes.
Iya lucu banget
I have a
ya.
good, I have
Dia
a
lagi
good impression.
joget kalau lagi ngomong cewek-cewek. Oke, jadi
good
impresi
impression.
dia bagus karena semua orang mau bantu, tapi
Bagus.
seperti semua orang di Indonesia ya, bukan cuma cewek mungkin. Tapi ya kalau dia lagi suka sama cewek pasti dia ceweknya bantu juga. Kalau kata subscriber dan penonton saya, Luis ganteng nggak? Ini pertanyaan buat kalian. I asked them like, do they think you're handsome or not? Up to them. Kan dia
Let me-
model. Fix my hair.
Fix my hair, yeah.
Okay. So, what do you want to tell to my subscribers?
Follow
Follow
her,
yours.
follow me,
Okay.
and don't stop to watch her.
Oh, thank you Luis. Jadi dia bilang follow Instagramnya saya, follow Instagramnya dia, dan juga jangan bosan sama Mbak Vina boleh. Thank you
Vina boleh,
Luis.
yes.
Tapi sebelum closing ada informasi yang penting sekali. Jangan lupa follow Instagramnya Luis Costin.
Yes.
Oke lah, jadi kita udah dulu ya. Kalau suka video ini jangan lupa subscribe
And like.
and comment dan loncengnya juga ya. Terima kasih, sampai jumpa di video
Terima kasih.
selanjutnya.